In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can see pictures in messages here on iOS 26 and future iOS versions. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. If we can help you out further, I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, go ahead and open up your messages on your iPhone, and from here, tap on any contact that you would like, and then tap on that contact's name up at the very top. From here, you're going to see a bunch of different tabs. Go ahead and select the Photos tab, and you could just scroll through this option, and you're going to see all of your photos that have been sent and received with that contact. Now, if your photos are missing, go ahead and back out and select your Settings app and tap on your Apple ID up at the very top. From here, scroll down and select your iCloud and find this little See All section for Save to iCloud. And then from here, select iCloud Photos or Messages in iCloud and just make sure both of those are turned on. From here, close both of the apps and wait a few minutes just for it to update, and then reopen up that app, reopen up that contact, and then go to that exact same page. And all synced photos and documents are going to reappear in that Contacts Photos tab. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.